Well, we're back in here celebrating the Pickle Festival. I just cannot believe that it's coming so soon. And today we have a drink. And the winner is Shannon Cramp from New York.
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Yeah.
so that is just so fun. And the drink is Dill, Pickle, Tom Collins.
Isn't that awesome? So if you look at our shirts, our theme this year is Pickle Not Stirred with a James Bond pickle guy.
Love it. I wonder who's so creative.
I don't know. I think her name is Julie Beck or
Oh
something.
my goodness, this
My
is
infamous
wonderful.
co-chair. So it's really appropriate that we have a mixed drink in this year's recipe contest. So I'm excited to see what she's come up
So
with.
a few, we're gonna skip the dry gin because this is the extension office and we can't have alcohol in here. So we're gonna make it virgin. Is that good?
Works for me.
Okay, so we're gonna put everything in here. So basically we just need 6 tablespoons of lime juice.
Okay. Get that.
So then we need simple syrup.
And say that again. What is this?
Syrup, 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 syrup. Simple
Simple
syrup.
syrup.
Syrup. I can't say that word, I
okay.
guess. And then, of course, we have an olive kosher dill pickle brine. Of course. Yes.
That's the good stuff.
That's right. And be sure that you start with ice in your cups. So we're gonna mix that. So have you ever been a bartender?
No.
Me either. So I don't even know how to close this thing. So shake it.
We'll just shake it up and see what happens.
Just pretending that we know what we're doing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in our glasses, fancy glasses.
Okay.
Half and half. You can have one some too.
That's right. Okay.
I think you did good. A little bit for you, a little bit for me.
Splash. Okay.
And then we're going to add a little bit of club soda or just fill it up with club soda. Okay.
I'm feeling like I'm a bartender.
I know. You look good.
All right.
And we are going to decorate with this. And our winner for this, Shannon, did a really good job decorating this. I think she's a bartender.
Beautiful.
So we're just going to pretend that we know what we're doing. So I think I may need a knife. Because you see how she did it so cool?
Oh, she's very fancy.
I know.
I wonder if you can just, well, I don't know.
I was thinking like this. I'm going to get a knife.
Okay. That'll probably be a good idea.
Yeah, we'll
Although you
see.
keep the knife, because I'm kind of dangerous sometimes.
Yeah, oh, okay, okay. I'll keep the knife. So, I think maybe she did it like this.
Yeah, just on one side.
I don't even have a cutting board. Okay. Like that?
I do.
I'll cut yours.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't want to share the knife. And maybe even doing this,
Well,
right?
I wonder if you can.
It's not like hers, but okay.
And I wonder if you could take a toothpick and kind of go through.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, because she's
And
using.
then it kind of hangs on the
Oh,
side.
that I love it. And then she also add a little bit of fresh dill. So let you do yours.
And if we had a little bit of the alcohol part,
Oh, let me clean all these so they
then we can.
not alcohol.
Then
Remember?
it
No,
would be
yeah.
in. I don't know, but it would fill the glass up a little, so it would
That's
catch
right.
the pickle.
That's right.
The bottom of the
So
pickle, maybe.
I'm thinking that now we need to kind of
Stir it, even though James Bond never stirred his.
Oh, okay.
Pickled, not stirred.
Oh, okay.
But those are martinis. And
Oh,
that
okay.
is all I know about martinis.
Oh, okay.
That he drinks
well,
them and he doesn't
we're
stir
going to
them.
try it.
Sounds like a plan.
Ooh, we look fancy. Do you drink it with a straw or not? Like this? Or?
I think we can try. I think we look
Okay.
very cool doing that.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is delicious.
It definitely has the pickle twang.
Ooh, oh,
The garlic and the kosher dill. Oh,
this is good.
yes.
And so simple. So tell me a little bit more about the festival. I know you're going to have a lot of goodies around. I heard about tattoos.
Yes. So we actually have a lot of merchandise. So we have shirts very similar to this, but not exactly. That'll be for sale. We have pickle socks. We do have pickle tattoos and stickers. I'm trying to think what else we have. Hats, of course. We've always had shirts and hats, but we've broadened out our offerings a little bit. And garden flags. We've had people ask us for garden flags for years.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
So
we've
the
got,
whole town of Mount Olive is going to have garden flags
that's
now.
what we hope.
I hope too.
A bright green.
Highfield can have
a bright
some,
green
too.
and a bright pink with pickle themed on it and the pickle logo. So pickle festival. So we're so excited about those.
That is wonderful. So again, be sure that you're following on Facebook because we have more recipes to share. So thank you so much, Elaine, for being here. And I appreciate all the support and all the things that you do for our community. Because this is not just about the festival. I know during the whole year, Mount Olive Pickle, they support a lot of things. And this is something that I know you do with the Chamber of Commerce of Mount Olive. And then you work together. And it's not just the Chamber of Commerce and Mount Olive Pickle, but also the whole community. So thank you so much for all you do.
Thank you, and thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.